this episode of BTQ Vision. Today we're in Westford, Massachusetts to interview Brian Stevens, CTO and Vice President of Engineering. Today we're going to be discussing hosted virtualization desktop solutions. So welcome, Brian.
Thanks for having me today.
So why has data security become such an important issue for enterprises?
Well, I think the business model around enterprises are changing. I think they're growing very aggressively, but I think data security has been at the forefront of not just sort of the public view of large enterprises, but also front and center of what CIOs need to think about today. So I think the world of the CIOs changed a lot over the last 15 years, and it's become one now where their users are increasingly mobile, and so then they have the issues of dealing with everything from laptop security, but now also what's the data on the laptop, which is in most regards a lot more valuable than the laptop itself. So I think the infrastructure the CIO is managing is changing, their users are changing, their users' requirement, everything around compliance from the federal government around how they think the public's data needs to be kept secure and private. The businesses that are taking advantage of the internet are changing as well. The internet has paved the way for a more connected world. You're seeing the end of the day where physicians are scribbling on notepads and you're seeing them take advantage of technology. They're connected to their data, they're connected to their patients' data. The patients are actually starting to get back in control of their data as well. So all that brings data security to front and center. Data that used to be locked in the vault is now accessible to support these lines of business, and so it brings security front and center for that as well. The day of a company being headquartered in Armonk, New York, and with all the employees there are over. You're seeing now that the world is composed of an IT organization that has supporting users around the world, from India to China to Raleigh, North Carolina.
So earlier this year, Red Hat announced its enterprise virtualization portfolio, which includes a hosted desktop virtualization component. So what are the highlights, if you could, of this portfolio, and what makes Red Hat the best choice for enterprises looking to secure their data?
Sure. Red Hat really took a stepwise investment into hosted desktop. We've built a reputation for the last 15 years around standardizing enterprise IT architecture, commoditizing, driving cost out, leaving the CIO with reduced CapEx, reduced OpEx, a more operational system, a higher performance system, and more security. That's what we're known for. That's what we built a very profitable and growing business upon. And about 5 years ago is when we began our investments in virtualization. And we debuted virtualization as an integral part of Red Hat Enterprise Linux 2 years ago, back in 2007, March of 2007, with the debut of our product, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 5. So we really believe that virtualization should be part of every system, and that was really what drove our decision around to commoditize it further, is to add it into the existing Enterprise Linux platform. So this company, Kubernetes, invented technology called KVM, and what KVM did is it took the Linux kernel itself and turned it into a hypervisor. So a very simplistic approach that leverages all the power of Linux and the community around Linux and provides a best-in-class hypervisor and virtualization capability. So Red Hat began the shift through the acquisition of Kubernetes to the KVM technologies back in 2008 with that acquisition. And just last week, we announced the public availability of Red Hat Enterprise Linux 5.4 with KVM technology inside. So now enterprise IT has the choice of a standardized foundation. So that's really the first part. The second part is we've announced that later this year we'll be providing management for server-based applications, which is really driving the mainstream adoption of virtualization today on top of KVM. So we'll also be providing an end-to-end solution for managing hosted desktops based on the same technology invented by Kubernetes, and it'll be Red Hat Enterprise Virtualization Manager for desktops. It'll sit side by side the server product. The interesting part about it, though, is that it goes back to enterprise IT has one common layer to deploy native applications and virtualized applications, but now with this intersection between server management and desktop management, they'll also be able to put virtualized desktops and virtualized server applications on the same backplane.
So in addition to increased data security, what are some of the other benefits that enterprises can expect to receive by employing Red Hat Enterprise Virtualization for desktops?
Well, obviously data security is front and foremost to drive their costs down. So the move to commoditization, the move to Intel servers is not just about the performance of Intel servers and the cost of Intel servers, it's about driving down IT costs. So similarly, though, in the same time, their operational costs are going through the roof. So even as they move to commodity servers, the number of servers under management is exploding. So their operational costs are going up. So the interesting thing around hosted virtual desktops is in addition to enabling the IT deployment style that the IT's business users want, it deals with data security and the governance around data, but it also drives down operational cost. It's a huge winner for the CIO in terms of driving down their OpEx cost. When we looked at Kubernetes, was not just around the uniqueness of the technology, it was the fact that we could solve this model around security but drive down operational costs in the meantime. The hardware refresh rate of commodity servers is much faster than the legacy model around proprietary hardware. The issue with that, though, is it churns all the way through the application. So every time that needs to be a hardware refresh, either because the hardware is tired or because that hardware is not made anymore, for IT to be able to take advantage of the next generation hardware, it ripples all the way through the operating system, it ripples all the way through the applications. So it drives not only their CapEx costs up, but it also drives their operational cost up higher. So through virtualization, it actually insulates the application in the desktop tier from the underlying hardware through the virtualization technology at KVM. So they can run more modern operating environments for more modern desktops on older hardware, but similarly they can actually take advantage of the latest hardware without refreshing the desktop instance. And so it's a really powerful model that lets IT get back in control and drives down cost.
And finally, when will Red Hat's Enterprise Virtualization Manager for desktops be available?
It's been a phased approach. It began back in 2007 again with the release of virtualization as a core part of Red Hat Enterprise Linux 5.0. We followed up with that last week by adding the KVM hypervisor inside of RHEL 5.4. By the end of this year, we'll have management for servers, for virtual servers available, and that will be followed imminently by the management system for desktops.
Thank you, Brian, very much for joining us today.
Great, thanks for hosting this. Hi, I'm Brian Stevens. I'm the Red Hat CTO, and you're watching BTQ Vision.